Welcome to Gwaan Dancehall with Lex, giving you the best of the best and the real of the real. This past weekend, the Angel celebrated her birthday at Club Dream located in Mandeville, and it was quite a sight to see. In this next clip, you can see why social media had a frenzy over what they see.
Hold on, I'm afraid to dance with it. Yeah? I'm afraid. Yeah, man, you must see me. I want my nigga. I want my nigga. I want my dance with it. He never told you, sir. Give me the secret of fun, man. Yeah, man. What, man?
Although many felt like what Beenie Man did was right, the Angel posted this on her page: "We were just having fun." But of course, she had to have more than one word, so she posted this on her Instagram. This past weekend, Stacious paid a visit to the one and only Ninja Man, who was found guilty for a murder charge back in November. Many believe that this photo was actually old and not in current times, but of course Stacious made sure she proved that it was current.
Alright, so it's not like me feel like we need to explain nothing to nobody, but me just hear some people see somebody I try to keep positive about life and them situation, and people have come with them negativity. Just to clarify, the photo was not taken with my phone. It's a physical photo that I had to pay the prison photographer to take.
Tifa's definitely sticking to her word about releasing her album for 2018. As you can see in this photo, she stated that it was supposed to be released in 2013, which is about 5 years ago. In the bottom of the caption, she states, "Is this the beginning or is it the end?" And on behalf of all Tifa fans, we all hope that this at the beginning and you continue for long. Popcaan has officially reached 1 million followers. He posted this photo thanking all his fans and supporters. That is it for Gwaan Dancehall. Tune in next week for more dancehall entertainment.